Hey, it's Anissa. Today I am so excited to bring to you the 6D Kneading Massager with Heat. Now this has patent pending technology that actually feels like real fingers and thumbs, giving you a deep tissue massage for targeted relief. Now what I really love is this is lightweight and portable. That's because it's got a rechargeable battery, so you can take this anywhere. Now let me show you how easy this is to use. Included is a quick start guide, but I'm gonna take you through all the functions. First is power. You simply hold and then it turns on. And the first mode is just regular. It'll go forward and then after a little bit it reverses itself. But with a push of the button, you can make it go reverse. Then you've got 3 different intensities. And last, and my favorite, is the heat mode. Simply push it and it activates the heat for a really therapeutic massage. You're gonna love the design of this unit. The handlebar straps allow for you to apply how much pressure you want in the areas you want. Just like telling your masseuse, massage here. Now here's something unique to this unit. It's got stabilizing straps. This allows you to operate it hands-free and also use it while you're doing your daily chores. You can't do that with a massage chair. And here's another reason why this is so much better than a massage chair. This gives you a full body massage. You can even massage your quads. You are going to love this unit and all the relief it brings you. That's because it's got so many features that others costing more than this don't have. But what I really love is our super low price. This makes a great gift that people are gonna thank you for years to come. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.